Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. My name is Wan Farooq and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn that how you can set up your own meta ads and how you can start making conversions. Making conversions means that how you can convert your ad spend on your Shopify sales and how you can generate sales while using Shopify, Facebook and Instagram meta ads. Now in today's video, it is not a general video, it is a detailed video, and this is a video that I am recording in English. After that I will be recording a video in Urdu/Hindi. So anyone who can't understand English language or has an English language barrier, no problem, I will make another video on Urdu/Hindi, another detailed video with the same steps and same procedures, and you can see that if you are willing to run successful meta ad business and learn with me. So first of all, we will learn that what is meta. So metaverse is Facebook and Instagram, Messenger and automation apps. So basically what happens is that Meta is owned, the Facebook, Instagram and Messenger is owned by Meta. And Meta is a platform where you can run ads on all of these at the same time. And it is a very good opportunity for all of the dropshippers, Amazon, FBM, all the people who are running e-commerce stores, businesses, all the people who are running eBay, Etsy businesses. Very good opportunity for them to run ads on Facebook ads and make very good conversion. So now we are at the laptop screen, and here you can see is the interface of metaverse, and here we're going to see that how you can create a campaign or a ad set that we say. It is very easy. After you log in to your Meta Business Suite, you have to go at the 3 bars, and in the all tools you have to go in the ads manager, and when you click the ads manager, you will be redirected to this portal, this platform where you can run professional ads on Facebook, Instagram and Messenger. As I told you before, these all lie under metaverse. What we have to do is that we have to click the button create. Before clicking the button create, I recommend that you add your payment method, which will be then verified from the Meta will deduct 268 Pakistani rupees, which are around $1 from your bank account, and then they will credit them back in your bank account. After the verification is complete, they will send a OTP in front of the transaction code that you have to provide to Metaverse. It is a very easy step, a very step-by-step steps given by Metaverse, and you will have no problem verifying your payment method. After you have verified your payment method, what you have to do is that you have to press the button campaigns. So first of all, let us learn that what is campaigns, ad sets and ads. So campaign is a thing, the word speaks at all, that a campaign you are running. Now ad sets is a option where you see the ad sets. What kind of ad you are running? Are you running leads? Are you running sales? Are you running promotion? Are you running more website visitors? What are you running? Then this is the ad, the original ad after you have done all the settings. Now after you do campaign, you have to press create. After we press create, he will ask us that what is the main objective of our campaign. Are we doing the campaign or are we running the campaign for awareness? Awareness means that we want to show our company or make a presence in the market of our brand or company. Then there's traffic. Now you can run traffic on your app, website, YouTube channel, Instagram page or anything. Engagement is where people message you. Leads is where people fill out the forms. App promotion is where people certainly download your app, and like you have seen in the games where there are ads of the app and people then install the app, and then there's sales. We are going to select sales for all e-commerce type businesses. Then we are going to press continue. You can also use traffic, but I recommend you using sales. After you press sales, you have to press continue. After you press continue, what you will see is that we are creating a new ad or ad set. Now here you can give your campaign any name. I'm going to give it a campaign. I'm going to name this campaign. Let's say, let's name it test campaign, right? After we have given the name to this campaign, what we have to do is that if you are running any special ad, categories like you are doing a promotion of a credit card, employment, housing, social issues, elections or politics. You can select these, but 99% of people does not select this, so we will skip this thing. Then you have to just go and you have to press next. After you press next, we will be redirected to a ad set that we discussed before. Here you will select that what you want your ad to look like. Now I want the conversions to be on a website. Now, as I told you before, you can make the conversion on your app, Play Store or iOS, supported. Make sure that your app is not an APK, it is supported with Play Store and App Store, but all the e-commerce, 99% of people who do e-commerce are running their products on website. Now here, what you will do is that you can press website. Now, you can also run on both website and app, but I'm telling again you can do on website. After we click website, we are going to select a performance goal. Now, I suggest that you keep this on maximize number of conversions. You do not make any other goals, because making any other goal can result in your conversions and they can decrease. All right. Then you have to create a pixel. Now it is very easy to create a pixel. If you're using Shopify, you will just go to Shopify App Store. You will install Facebook and Instagram. After you install Facebook and Instagram, what you have to do is that you have to set up your account. You have to connect the account. After you have set up the account, after setting up the account, you just have to go and you have to create a pixel. Now, after we go ahead, if you want to make the CPRG, the cost per result goal, on your own, you can make that, but I recommend that you do not use the CPRG. You just optional. Let Facebook calculate the CPRG on their own, depending on the reaction they are getting from the people. After we go next, you can see show more options which are not related to our ad set. Then here you will add the daily budget. You can add daily budget or you can add a lifetime budget. For the time being, I am running a daily budget, and in the daily budget, let's say I want it to be 300 PKR per day. Alright, which is around $1.5 per day. Then you can schedule your budget. You can add a ending time and a opening time for your budget. It is very easy to create and schedule the ending and closing time. You just go here, set an end date. If you don't want to add a certain end date, if you want your ad to run continuously, you can deselect this option and you can just run your ad continuously until you manually close the ad or turn this off. This is the most important part of creating a meta ad, which is called audience. Audience is what you will target. Here, I'm going to create a new audience. You can also search existing audience that we have made before, but because we are making a new audience, we will go and we will press edit. Now, I want to target people in USA. By default, using my IP address, they select Pakistan. I will go here and I will select USA because I want people of the United States of America to see my ads. I will search for United States. This is the country/region. Make sure you're selecting the country/region, and you can see that here Facebook has selected the United States, and these are all the states selected. Then the age, I suggest that you select 18 to 65 because selecting under 18 will make your ad issues that this is underage or your ad has been suspended and all of your money can be wasted. Then select all genders, but if your product is like a woman apparel, then you can press edit and you can select women only, and you can only target the women accounts. But for the time being, this is a product which is attracting men and women both, so I'm going to select all. Now here is the detailed targeting. Now in the detailed targeting, you can select the demographics, the interest or behaviors of the people. Now here is the demographics, interest or behavior of the people. I can select that because this product is a home decor. I will just search here home decor, and you can see here that the interests are given by Facebook that these people, the people who are interested in interior design, Facebook will only show the ad to the people who are interested in interior design, and it is showing the audience that the audience varies from 488,000 from 574,000 people. But I am going to select interior design. Now a vast number of people are interested in home and garden. This is a very, very, very good interest that I suggest to people if you people are selling a product which is used in homes or gardens. Two are enough, but if you want to add more, if you want to narrow down your audience, you can narrow down them. After that, I will save this audience, and after I have saved it, I will go down and then I will go here and I will do the placements. The placements, I will do manual placements. If you do manual placements, it's a very good job, because most of the e-commerce people who are selling on e-commerce does not sell their products on Messenger. So there's no point of advertising on Messenger. So we'll deselect Messenger. We will deselect audience network. We will only select Facebook and Instagram, which is the most used app of metaverse. Then we will go down. Here we will select stories and reels, which is by default not selected. Then we will go down and then we will press next. Now in 300 PKR rupees, which is around 1.5 US dollar, I'm only getting less than 10 conversions with a reach of 32 to 92 accounts. Now I will press next. If you increase your budget, the reach and the conversions will obviously grow upwards. Now here you can connect an Instagram account if you want to connect an Instagram account, or you can just use a selected page which will you use on Instagram. Now here you can use an existing post which is on your page, or you can create a new ad. I suggest you create a new ad because there's a lot of potential when you create a new ad rather than using a existing post, because you have not that much options of editing there. Now here you can add carousel. Now there's a collection. Collection is a collection of images that you may have seen on Facebook before, but for the timing, I'm going to select single image of video, which is the most demanding right now. After that, we are going to press add media. You can add an image of your product or add a video. Now, adding a video, the Facebook algorithms or Instagram algorithms boost the product that has a video. I will add a video. Here I have 3 videos uploaded. I will just select any of the random videos and will press next. Here, because this video is made in 9:16 ratio while I was editing it, I'm going to select the original file, or if you're it is in the 9:16 is showing, because for my time he's saying that this video is already cropped to the recommended aspect ratio, because I exported the video in 9:16 ratio. So Facebook has detected the thing and is already cropped my video to the recommended aspect ratio. If you have the video in, let's say, 4:5 ratio, you can select 9:16 ratio and Facebook will then crop your video. We press next. After we press next, now he's asking us to optimize Advantage plus creative. Then we'll press done. You just press done here, nothing to touch here because everything is done for us. We will press just done here, and we will wait for Facebook to get things ready for us. Now, what is Advantage plus creative? Advantage plus creative is an AI model used by Facebook and Metaverse to optimize your ads to show the most relevant ads to the most relevant people. Now here you can edit the thumbnails or the video crop size of the 3 placements. There are 3 placements in Facebook ads. There's feeds, Instagram ads, videos, reels. Then there's stories and reels, and then there are right columns, search results, and instant articles. Now you can edit the 3 of them, and each of them has 10 placements underneath them, so you can edit individual of them also. Now here we will go and enter a primary text. Now primary text is what will be the caption of your product, and let's type here, amazing lamp, exclamation mark, makes it good. We'll give a headline. Now this headline will go with the ad. Now you can add the price of the product here, which will be in bold, or you can add a catchy slogan of your product. Now here, this is a 5-in-1 lamp, so I will just type in 5-in-1 lamp. Then You can also add 2 headlines after going to add a headline option. In the description, you can add description. In the description, I will add the price of the product. You can add the description. I suggest that you add the description. I'm in a hurry, so I am typing the description here. I'm sorry, the dollar sign will be before 70. Yeah. Now here you can also add a second description. There is an add description option like a headline option. Now the call to action button, because we are running e-commerce ad, we want people to purchase our product. So you can either select order now, or you can either select shop now. Shop now looks more practical rather than order now. So because order now is like you're ordering some food products or some daily life product, but I suggest that you select shop now. After you press shop now, you will give the URL of your website. If you're not using a website, not a problem. You can select here shop. Your shop on WhatsApp, on Facebook Marketplace, OLX, or any of them. For the timing, I'm selecting my website, and this is my website. I've given my website URL, and yes, it is good. We're good to go. Now you can change the display link if your URL is, let's say, very long, or uses the .myshopify.com domain. Then you can add a display link which will show the hyperlink that people will see will be different, and the link that running in the background will be different, and gives a little bit good impression than rather than using .myshopify.com. It doesn't look that practical. Now you can go here and add a Facebook event that we will learn in another video. Then this is my pixel ID that is active, that I told you how to add in your Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, eBay, any kind of product. You just have to go and edit code, and underneath the head you have to just paste the code that Facebook provides you. We are all good to go. We are done. We are just good to go. We can just publish the ad. After we publish the ad will go into view. After the ad goes into view, the ad will be published. The ad will be published, and then the conversion will be started. People will be redirected to your website. When people will be redirected to your website, people will start buying from your website. This is how you can add and you can create a successful Facebook campaign. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. By subscribing the channel, make sure you like the video and share this video in your friends group, so they will be also taking a part in this video, subscribing this video and liking the video. I will meet you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye Allah Hafiz.